rock on, dude.
All right, today is pure entertainment. All the kids are trying the Tuttio for the very first time. One daughter jumps on like she's auditioning for a stunt show. The other one, she's like, let's not die today. But she gets braver every minute. The older boys hop on and ride off like they've secretly been practicing in the backyard at night. And the younger son, he was doing amazing until he sent straight to an old campfire pit and almost sacrificed the Tuttio to the dirt bike gods. And meanwhile, the toddler is just standing there, helmet on, waiting for his turn to ride with Dad like he's the real star of the show. Let's get into it.
On, okay? You record. Whoa, goddamn, okay. We're going. We're going. Oh, shit. Very happy, Alex. Yeah, there you go. Right by Mom. Say, "Hey, Mom!" Turn. All right. Slow down. Put your feet down. All right. Guess what? I trust you. You're on your own. Now I showed you. Take your time. I'm so proud of you, baby. Yeah! Yeah! You got it, Joe! Hope she knows to slow down. She knows. I've already showed her. I've already told her, look. Oh, look, she's got it. She's fucking got it, dude. Yes, turn. There you go. All right, slow down. Hit the brakes. Now put your foot down. Oh, yeah. There you go, baby. I'm proud of you. All right. I'm not putting my feet up because if she trumps it, at least my feet will be right there to go down. Okay? Yeah. You got it?
No.
No?
I don't know how to.
All right, listen. If you push that, what happens? We go? Pull that. Front brake, pull that one. Back brake. Got to pull them hard.
was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Whiskey throttle! Put your feet back on there. Yeah, because my feet are down, so you ain't got to worry about holding. Hold on, hold on. You got both feet up there? All right, front brake, back brake. Don't full throttle, just kind of get the feel of it, all right? Okay? Let's fucking kill me.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
And that wraps it up. One fearless daredevil, one cautious queen, two boys riding like future pros, one near disaster in a campfire pit, and of course, the toddler patiently waiting for his VIP ride with dad. I'm seriously proud of all of them. Can't wait to get more dirt bikes so the whole crew can ride together, preferably with fewer fire pits involved. Thanks for watching, and get ready for more family moto madness.